In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert the colors of an image in Microsoft Word. Inverting colors is a simple yet powerful way to give your images a fresh, creative look, or to highlight specific details in your presentations, reports, or other documents. The best part is that you can achieve this effect directly in Word without needing any additional photo editing software. I'll walk you through every step, making sure it's easy to follow and clear for anyone watching. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document and locate the image you want to invert. If the image isn't already in your document, insert it by clicking on the Insert tab, selecting Pictures, and choosing the image from your files. Once the image appears, click on it to select it. When the image is selected, the Picture Format tab will automatically appear on the ribbon at the top of your screen. This tab contains all the tools you need to enhance and adjust your image. Next, copy the image to use a simple workaround for inverting colors. With the image selected, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it. Now, open the Paint application on your computer. You can do this by typing Paint into the Windows search bar and clicking the Paint app from the results. Once Paint is open, paste the copied image by pressing Ctrl+V. With the image pasted in Paint, right-click on the picture and choose the Invert Colors option. This instantly swaps the colors, turning light areas dark and dark areas light, giving your image a striking inverted effect. After you've achieved the desired look, copy the inverted image by pressing Ctrl+C again. Return to your Word document and place the cursor where you want the inverted image to appear. Press Ctrl+V to paste it directly into your document. You can now move, resize, or format the image just like any other picture within Word, making it fit perfectly into your layout. And that's all there is to it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully inverted the colors of an image in Microsoft Word, adding a more dynamic and visually appealing element to your document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.